Campfire Cooking in Another World is an anime that seems like someone took a little bit of Beast Tamer and mixed it with Restaurant from Another World. The main character gets transported to a different world and has a unique skill called online grocery. No one has any idea what it does, so they think he's useless. Well, it turns out he can pull up Amazon whenever he wants to and buy food. In typical anime fashion, food in this new world sucks. That means his food attracts a super powerful ally who he spends most of his time cooking for. You have to love an anime where every time someone eats something, they describe how amazing the food is. This anime isn't action-packed, but it's an entertaining watch.